Hi everyone. Today I'm going to explain user login issue. This is one of the most and frequently known issues that we have always come across this kind of an issue, user login issue through SSH. And this issue we will perform the right from the basic steps to advanced steps to address the issue. The first step that we need to check is network connectivity. So first the server network connectivity we need to verify. So how to verify the server network connectivity is to by just pinging the server IP. Okay. By pinging the server IP, we can come to know that whether server is available or not, whether server is up or down. If the server is down, we go to the server and bring it up by powering on. Okay. So to come to know whether server is up or not, server is reachable or not, through the network, we have to ping the command, ping the server. So 192.168.234, 133. This is my target machine. Okay, this is my target machine, and wait, this is my current. This is my current machine IP. Okay, 132 is my current machine IP. My target machine is 133. Okay, 192, 168, 234, 133. So 133, this is my target machine. Now we can say that server is available, server is up. Okay, so this is the basic fundamental step that we need to verify whether server is available or not, server is connected, the server is reachable or not. That is the foremost and the basic step then we need to perform. Okay, the next step is if the ping is failed. Okay, just assume that if the ping is failed, in spite the server is up. eh, if the ping is failed, if we are not receiving the ping response, then it might be we need to verify whether the IP we have entered is correct or not, and we need to check whether the network adapter is up or down, and we also verify the gateway, other whether it's any pinging is being blocked by firewall. So these are the steps we need to perform if the ping is failed, even though the server is up. Okay, that is the first step that we need to verify. Next one is port availability. Okay, the port availability is the second step that we need to check. Okay, what is the port availability is? What is the port for SSH? The port for SSH is 22. Okay, the command to verify the port availability is ncvz. Ncvz is the latest command, and uh, we can also use the uh, see yeah we can this is the only the we can also use the telnet, but however telnet is now slowly is being deprecated. 9168 234 133. See, we have to, once we come to know the server is available, network is, we don't have an issue with the network connectivity, server is reachable. Okay, then the second step is we need to check the port availability. Okay, so if it shows that it is connected, then we can say that the port is not being blocked, port is allowed. Okay, so that is the second step we need to check once the ping is working. Okay, that is the second step. The port availability is the second step we need to perform. After that, okay, now this port is connected. After that, we need to log into the target machine and check the SSH service status. Okay, sometimes it is allowed, sometimes it is working. In spite of that, SSH service may not be working. Okay, so that is the third step we need to perform. Checking the service status, system ctl status sshd. Now see, we can say that the service is running, sshd service is running. So through ssh only the server is user is login, therefore, right? So therefore we have to ensure that service status, sshd service status is running and running. Okay, and we need to enable it to ensure that SSD is persistent across the reboots. Okay, and this is the third step we need to verify. Okay, and okay, just assume that, okay, if it is service, if it is not running, then we need to check the whether it is installed or not. Okay, I mean installation, not installation. We need to check the any configuration issues and all. Okay, and after that we need to check the firewall rules. Okay, whether by default SSHD service is allowed through firewall. Okay, and we need to verify firewall CMD list all. So see, if you see here the services here in services line, we can see SSH, HTTP, SSH. These two services are allowed. Okay, right now these two services are allowed in firewall. Therefore, we can say that SSH service is not being blocked by firewall. That is the fourth step. Okay, and after that we need to check the SELinux status. Okay, so how to verify the SELinux status is, first we have to check the whether SELinux is allowed or not. Okay, get enforce. Okay, so it is in enforcing state. Okay, actually, in SELinux, we have three states. One is enforcing, permissive, and disabled. Okay, enforcing in the sense SELinux is in place. Okay, now if so, we can set the SELinux 0. Okay, SELinux 0 temporarily. Set enforce 0 and try SSH working or not. If it is not working, then if it is working, eh, if it is working, then okay. If it is not working, then it probably it might be the SELinux is causing the issue. Okay, that is the next step. And after that we need to verify the configuration files. Okay, SSH configuration file is one of the important steps we need to verify after performing all these checks. So where it would be the configuration file is slash etc. So these are our SSH configuration files. Okay, so here what are the checks that we need to perform is there are three things we need to check. Okay, one is permit root login. Okay, yeah. So here, see, these are the permit root login. Permit root login is S, and password authentication and public key authentication. These must be set to S. Okay, so if we don't say, then there might be issues. Okay, if user is trying to access the server, login to the server through SSH, so before that we need to check the permit root login is setting S, password authentication and public key authentication. This must be set to S. Then only it will work. Okay, if we have any issues, then we have done some changes. Then after that, if we have any issues, then we have to set the things, and after that we have to restart the service. Okay, so that is the last step. And after that, see, we have performed we have performed all these things in a server. At the same time, we also check the user's account status. Okay, sometimes user account may not be exist. Okay, in that scenario we need to check whether user is available or not, whether user is available, user's account is available in target machine or not. So okay, so to verify whether user account is available or not, we need to check ID username. Okay, so this is the username. Now we can say that user account is available. Okay, user after we checking the user account availability, then we need to check whether user's account is expired, user password is expired, or his account is unlocked, his account is locked. Okay, to check whether user password is expired or not, the command to verify is chase-l and username. Okay, so here we can say that the password is never expired, password is inactive now, and the password is changed. And see, we don't see any account expiry here and password expiry here. Okay, so this is the command to know whether user account is expired or not. Okay, so these all are the main these all are the steps that we need to perform whether user is able to, if user is not able to log into the server. Okay, and we also see after user has entered multiple times to log into the server, there might be some limitations. If user cross certain limitations, then his account might be locked, and there might be a fail to ban that is implemented. Okay, so his IP also get blocked. Okay, that is as per as the security is concerned. If user is trying to log in multiple times, then his IP is blocked. So to we have to verify fail to ban. Okay, it is we haven't installed the client fail to ban client. Okay, so these are the steps we need to check when user is not able to log into the machine through SSH. Okay, so these all are things we need to verify. I have written on notepad. You can have a look at these steps and check the whether user when user is not able to log into the SSH. I hope this video is helpful, and thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Uh, Thank you.